So hey everybody, welcome to Captain Science, and today I'm going to discuss about the air conditioning panel of the Airbus A320. So basically it is the continuation of the series how the button works. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, this is the air conditioning panel of in the overhead panel. So I will discuss first how the airflow works. So this is engine 1 and this is engine 2. The engine supplies D to the packs. So engine 1 supplies the pack 1 and the engine 2 supplies to the pack 2. Okay. If there is any failure, if there is the engine 1 is faulty or engine 2 is faulty, so then we use the cross feed valve to just make this flow to the another pack also. Okay. So I will discuss it in a moment actually. So if the engines are off, we are on the ground. So basically, and the aircraft is parked near a aero bridge, so we will get the ground high power, high pressure air. Okay, and if we are not parked near a aero bridge, so we use the APU blade. Okay, so APU also gives us some air supply, and this supply goes to the packs. Okay, so now from the packs, actually, what the packs actually does. So the packs basically conditions the air and it lowers the temperature of the air. Okay, and the air gets into the aft cabin, the forward cabin, the cockpit. That supplies into for cockpit, forward cabin, and aft cabin basically. So what happens? These norms. Okay, what are these norms actually? Now you may ask me. So these norms are actually for the temperature control norms. So this cold means from 18 degree to all the way to 30 degree. We can you control the temperature of the areas. Okay, for cockpit this is now set to 24 degrees. This is 24 degree, this is 24 degree for aft cabin actually. So if I will just for each division actually we got 2 degrees. So this is right now I have set to 18 degrees. I'll increase to 20 degree, 22 degrees, 24 degrees, 26, 28, and 30 degrees. Okay, so this is how the temperature controls. We control the temperature in the cockpit, forward cabin, and aft cabin. Okay, so now there is a fact. Okay, we cannot control the temperature of the air which is coming from pack. We cannot control the packs to let the temperature be high or low. We cannot control the temperature is coming from the pack. Only thing we can control that when the air is coming from the pack, we mix it with a hot air. Okay, I have made a little video on that. Check this out, guys. It is coming over there. So uh, the thing is, the hot air first actually comes the hot air mixture unit. So this is hot air. It comes from the engine directly. So we mix the hot air with the pack flow, and then we supply this to the aft cabin, forward cabin, and cockpit actually. Okay, so this is a very brief thing. You just check the video out over there, so you can have a very detailed view about what the pack flow and what the things are. Okay, so now this is the cross bleed valve actually. So what the cross bleed actually works? What does the cross bleed? So suppose you are flying and the engine 2 somehow it get faulty. Okay, for example, I just off it. Okay, so as you can see, this valve is closed. The pack to flow is basically closed. Okay, so what we will do, we will just switch this cross bleed to auto. Okay, so what the cross bleed does, say if the engine 2 is off, there is no pack 2 is fault, so the cross bleed comes in. So I will just on it, open. So the engine 1 will basically supply the air to pack 2. It is basically a connecting valve with pack 1 flow and pack 2 flow. Okay, so if there is any faulty engine or like that, so we will just switch on the cross bleed. So then the engine will supply the air to the other pack or vice versa also. So engine 1 is off, so then engine 2 will flow the air to the pack 1. Okay, so this is all about the air conditioning panel. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot.